My name is Jessimina Shamento. And second is, first is verify the doctor's order. Second is to gather the all equipment. Third is inform the family of the patient. So, sir, gagawin po namin yung procedure na post-mortem po sa asawa niya. And fourth is to provide privacy. And fifth is to perform hand hygiene. And wear the gloves. We will now proceed to perform the post-mortem.
First procedure is to ask the relative if they want to leave the room or stay and watch. Sir, gusto niyo na po bang lumabas or panoorin po kami habang ginagawa namin yung procedure? Stay. Stay na. Okay.
Second is we're going to remove all accessory of the patient.
After that is, we should remove the clothes so that we can perform bed bath.
We're going now to perform the bed bath.
After doing the bed bath, we should put the clothes back.
After to perform the bed bath, we're going to remove the bed sheet. And we're going to remove the pillow of the patient.
After doing that, we should put the tag in the patient's tongue. Make sure the identity is on the tag. After that, we will now roll up the linens. You should now secure the linens.
And lastly, we're going to put a name tag with the patient's name and identity, and we're going to put on the linen. And that's all. That's the postmortem care, and we're going to document the procedure. And lastly, we're going to remove our gloves and perform hand hygiene.
Good morning, ma'am. Ako po si Jessimina Shamento. Ako po yung student nurse na ngayon. So, ma'am, pwede po matanong paano po pangalan niyo?
Ardina City Castro.
Ilang taon na po kayo?
18 po.
Kailan po birthday niyo, ma'am?
February 2006.
Ma'am, check ko lang po yung wristband niyo. So, ngayon ma'am, aware naman po kayo na ang gagawin po natin ngayon is hot and cold compress po. So, okay naman po sa inyo yan, ma'am. So, check ko lang po ma'am kung tama po yung binigay ni Doc, yung init po. So, ma'am, tama po ba dito po yung ano natin? Okay po. So, ma'am, kunin ko lang po yung vital signs niyo po. Ready na po ako. Provide ko lang. So, ma'am, unahin ko po ngayon yung hot compress po. So, ma'am, yung hot compress po is makakatulong po siya para mag-relieve yung pain nyo. And para din po maiwasan natin inflammation. And yung cold compress naman, ma'am, para po siya ma-relieve din yung pain nyo. And sa swelling naman po, para po hindi po mag-swell ng mas malala. So, mag-start na po tayo. Unahin ko po yung hot compress. So, bali mga 46 degree po. Ito po yung order nito. Cover ko lang po kayo, ma'am. Iwan ko na lang po yung area na i-hot compress po natin. Okay lang po. Okay lang po ba, ma'am? Hindi po ba masyadong mainit? So, bali ma'am, i-leave lang po natin siya ng ilang minutes. Okay na po. So, check ko lang po, ma'am. Kung meron po bang naging skin effect. So, okay lang po ba, ma'am? Wala po bang burning sensation? Okay lang. So, record. Tapos, ma'am, kunin ko lang ang ulit yung vital signs niyo. Tapos cold compress. So, so, leave lang din po natin siya na ilang minutes. Okay lang po ba, ma'am? Hindi po sumakit. Hindi po masyadong malamig. So, bali ma'am, okay naman po yung result ng vital sign nyo ng una and ng pangalawa po. So, okay naman po yung naging procedure natin. So, kayo po ba comfortable po ba kayo? Wala naman po masakit. Nung habang andun po yung may, hindi naman po masyado mga hapde. Okay po ma'am. So, okay na po tayo ma'am. Thank you po.